Okay, so hello, welcome back. This is ABV ETC store. We have a customer na nag-request i-unbox natin yung kanyang item before shipping. So I'm gonna wear some gloves. Of course, kaya natin contaminate ang kanilang mga items. So mag-gloves tayo. Yeah, 30 seconds kagad yun. Okay, so ito, what's her item? This is for Ma'am Gianna. Ma'am Gianna, thanks for the support. This is her CVV Elementum 2 in black G10 handle, black stonewash Nitro V blade. Yeah, so sealed kasi siya. Yan. And syempre, may compensation ng CVV. Meron siyang knife na paracord bracelet na merong whistle. Check natin. So wala tayong editing, raw lang tayo. Raw unboxing. Okay. So pag binuksan mo yung CVV, yeah, ano siyang pouch, and what's inside, ayun, kompleto. And then yung stickers, CVV stickers, yeah, uy, sakto, pwedeng pang female to, yun, pink CVV, ayan, meron siyang stickers, another sticker, sorry, hindi pala siya sticker. Okay, then product use and warranty information, microfiber cleaning cloth, some CVV catalog, and yeah, ganda ng ano nyo, ganda ng pouch, and her knife itself. So gusto niya yung black para astig. Okay, so check natin. Ito yung kanyang knife, CVV bottom lock. Yan, recessed yung button para hindi accidentally na pupush kapag naka-insert sa pocket mo. So ang pocket clip na ito is deep carry pocket clip yan. So pag nakalagay siya sa pants mo, pag nakalagay siya, ayan lang yung makikita mo dun sa iyong carry. Reversible pocket clip rin siya. Ay sorry, hindi pala siya reversible pocket clip. Okay, so hindi natin i-edit to. So right hand carry lang siya, hindi siya reversible pocket clip. Okay, so yung mga lefties dyan, sorry, this is a right hand pocket carry only. So tingnan natin yung blade. Yan, yung edge. Ganda ng pagka-black. So checking tayo for blade play, ha? Out of the box, walang side to side blade play. Up and down, wala rin. Check natin pagka disengage natin yung bottom lock. Okay, nice. Nice detail. Check natin blade centering. It is centered. Check ko rin sa aking naked eye. Yan, centered ang blade. Okay, nicely done. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you ma'am, thank you for your purchase and support sa page. So this is your CVV, brand new CVV Elementum 2. Yan. Isa pa nga. Okay. Thank you and yun lang.